Hello friends, we have with us Mr. Deepak Agrawal, who is the past president of Rotary Club of Rajkot Midtown for the year of 1999-2000 and the future governor for the year 2011 and 12 for the Rotary District 3060. Mr. Agrawal, welcome to Speak with us. Namaste. Okay, first of all, tell us when you joined the Rotary Club of Rajkot Midtown.
In 94-95. Actually, we were the pioneers.
Okay.
We 16 friends. We thought that let us do something for the society, and we 16 friends regularly were meeting every Sunday
Alright.
at the Racecourse Ring Road, and we thought that so many years we are meeting, but now let us do something creative and something useful to the social cause. So that's the reason we started this club.
Okay, and so you are the pioneer founder for the RCRM.
Yes, that's true.
And apart from you, who are else the pioneer founders?
Yeah, Dr. Jatin Modi, Dr. Niranjan Parikh, Hitesh Anarkat, Vijay Nagrecha, Dinesh Jivrajani, Vikram Sangani. Many friends, 16 of us were there. We thought of starting this club.
Okay, and what is the current member strength of
Yeah,
RCRM?
today we are 121 plus members.
Okay, and so how has been the experiences so far for you as being a Rotarian?
It's fantastic. As as a single person, sometimes the things which you feel you want to do something big, but because you are alone, you can't do it. But because of the umbrella of Rotary, you can do many things. You can help people. You can know what are the needs, and according to their needs, you can act collectively, and the impact is very huge. The fellowship, the friendship all over the globe, especially in my state of Gujarat. If you don't have a business or connections in, say, Ahmedabad or Baroda or Anand or Baroda, you never know anybody there. But because of Rotary, today I got friendship of more than 1.2 million people all over the world.
My goodness.
Yeah, and in Rotary is in 200 countries.
Right.
So this is a fantastic, the Rotary has provided me a fantastic chance of friendship and fellowship.
Okay. Is there any specific reason for you to be involved in the societal services? I mean, does it come from, is it inherited or is something that you
I will say, a very nice question. I will say, yeah, it was inherited. It is inherited. My father, by doing the business, he has helped many people. He has touched many lives. And from my childhood, I have seen, people come to my father and say, wow, Aman bhai, you're doing something good for us and all that. And this is how I realized that I've seen, my father has never joined any social club or anything, but by doing his profession or business, he was helping people.
Right.
So this is how, that has inherited me that, wow, if you can bring smile on somebody's face, it's fantastic.
So you are carrying forward the societal services your father had started. And which are the different positions you have served the Rotarian Club so far?
I think the only position is to serve the humankind. That is the best position I
Right,
have.
yes.
But yeah, there are different ladders when you have a very structured. Rotary is a very structured organization. The oldest NGO on the planet Earth, you can say this. It started in 1905, and all other NGOs are started after that. So it is the oldest NGO surviving today on the earth, and it's very structured. Like they have in club level, they have from sergeant at arms, you can say al chowkidar.
Okay.
From that level to the president level, and then from the district level, again from the very sergeant at arms to the district governor level.
Okay.
So I'm going to be a district governor of my district in 2011-12 to serve my people.
And give us some brief on the various activities and projects of Rajkot Club of Rotary Midtown.
It's numerous. We have touched, more than 1 million people in 14-15 years.
Okay.
Yeah, we have provided safe drinking water system in all the municipal schools, Nagar Prathmik Shikshan Samiti Sara. We have constructed a huge reservoir, a dam,
Right.
over river Lapasari, from which the Aji Dam is getting every year they get about 1.2 MCFT water, which will cost to be more than 10 crore of rupees if you count in the terms of money.
Right.
We have started a Dolls Museum with the help of another NGO, Arindra Manianjan Kalyan Trust, which is also a very unique place in Rajkot, and the Gujarat government has marked this as the tourism spot of the Gujarat.
Yes.
Yeah, and because of that, every year more than 600 to 700 people who were never going to come to Rajkot, but because when they surf on India and they who are interested in museums and all, they come to Rajkot, and because of it, the economy of Rajkot is also benefited. When 600 to 700 people come, they can stay in a hotel, they buy some handicraft or something.
Right.
So this is how the things works. We have done more than 40-45 permanent projects. We have constructed 6 municipal schools.
Right.
One school in Matoda we have started, which is run by Galaxy Education System. In a very low cost. Like my daughter I pay about 25,000-30,000 rupees a year, but there they teach only in 2,000 rupees a year, the same level of education.
Okay.
Yeah, we have started with Rajkot Municipal Corporation with their help. We have started library on Amin Road, which is a very unique place.
Yep.
Even
I have the next question about that.
okay,
so
sure.
we
Yeah,
can explain.
yeah, that's true. We work basically on water, literacy, health. We run a very good medical center, very ultra modern facility medical center near Jansatta Press in the street. We have a diabetic center, we have a dental center, we have a physiotherapy center, we run a backache clinic, we run an ear clinic, we run a cardio center, we have a laboratory. You name the medical thing and we are doing. We are also helping the street children, rack picker children with another NGO of Pujit Rupani in Mayurnagar. So we are spread all over. We work in Tramba, which is about 16 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
There we have started X-ray clinic and pathology center. We are helping the Kasturba Dham. We started a toy library there. So many things we are into.
So almost all the fields
Yeah,
of
you
society.
name it. You name the area, and we
Done
are
something
doing
in
it.
that field, right,
Yeah.
right, right.
And we wish to do more.
Okay. And about the library, you were just about to talk. I recently visited it personally, and I had no idea that such a state-of-the-art library can exist in Rajkot. Even though I'm living here for last 10 years, but after I visited it, I saw the digital compartment as well as all the books. And let me tell you, it was something. It was something a very state-of-the-art library, very much organized, computerly organized with barcode verification and all. You will find such libraries mostly in the US, but it's in Rajkot, and only because of this Rotary Club of Rajkot Midtown. So how was the idea of establishing such advanced library initiative?
To do that, first of all, very sorry that we are very poor in publicity. That's the reason many
Right.
people
Don't
know about us.
Right, right.
We need to work on that. And actually, when in 2005-06, at that time, the municipal commissioner, he invited us that, Mr. Agrawal, this is the place, why don't you, take up this project?
Okay.
Yeah, that was a very good, we felt very good that, somebody from the government body is inviting us, and they, shortlisted us. We have never applied that we want to have a library or something like that. Yeah. So he said that why don't you come and take up this project, and we said yes sir, give us some time, and then we done a survey that there were about 11-12 libraries here.
Right.
So when we asked people, they said already there are 10-12 libraries, what you will do something new,
Right.
There are very few people coming there, and nowadays because of the electronic media, people are more into viewing than to
Reading.
Yeah, reading. Even the songs are more for viewing than to listening.
Right.
So we thought that no, we want to do something different, but the thing which we saw that very good libraries we have in Rajkot, run by municipal corporation and the private another institutions. But the things which we thought that what they are not providing, we should provide that.
Right.
Then we can generate a market. From Lok Meda Samiti, they provided some funds from that. The building was given to us, and they have taken a contract with us that we have to provide 11 lakh of material to them. But instead we have given more than 18 lakhs of books and material to the library, because we thought it's ours, it's nothing, like we never believed that what we have said we have to do that, we always do more. And after that, when our area was to focus on from the age of 5 to 15,
Okay.
where people want to learn something new. Like today we have more than 220 magazines, which I believe very few libraries in Gujarat, or maybe not a single library
Absolutely, yeah.
is having such magazines. Like, you must have a career competition, but simultaneously you must have a walk in it.
Yeah, right.
Because the young mothers, we want their young children to come to the library. When the young children are reading, what their young mothers will do?